front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is go into Settings and click on Theme and Personalization available here. Now we'll select Themes at the top and tap on the best one for you. In my case, this one. Last but not least, select Apply button at the bottom and wait. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my Nubia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!